Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making this lemon, garlic and thyme whole roast chicken. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So here I have my whole chicken, which I've removed the backbone and a spatchcock. Now I've gone ahead and cleaned it and washed it, you know, the whole full 100. Now what I do is I like to go with my knife and just put few holes inside of the chicken, to make sure the seasoning go on in it. So I'm gonna season with my good chicken seasoning, my aromat all purpose, my lemon pepper seasoning. I'm gonna mix this all together with some olive oil and rub it all over the chicken. Make sure you're getting all the cribbits and the crannies and the back and the front and the side and the belly and the every part of the chicken. You want to lift the skin up as much as possible, get some of that seasoning and just throw it in there and just rub it in. Don't lift the skin up too much from you'll find that when you're lifting up the chicken, there's some points where the skin is really attached. Just don't pull it too much, because what will happen is once it's baking, the skin will just shrivel up and just you want the skin on the chicken, because then it will help the chicken to retain that moistness that we want when we're going at the chicken. Now in an overproof pan, I'm gonna go in with some slices of thyme, some garlic and some thyme. Gonna get my chicken and just put it down in the pan just like this. Yes, throwing the little bit that me cut out of the back, so we don't really waste nothing around here. And I like the munch on the neck and the backbone there. Yeah, it's nice and dabba with it. Just sprinkle this now with a little bit of olive oil, just to make the skin a bit nice. And we're gonna put this in the oven. Now I used gas mark 7, which is about 425 degrees, depending upon what oven stay. I can only give judgment based on what I do on my oven. So I used gas mark 7 and I put this in my oven for around an hour and a half. Now your temperature and your times will vary depending on the size of your chicken. Please make sure your chicken is thoroughly cooked before eating. Now once this was about the hour mark, what I did was I went in and I added some butter, got my little baster and just keep basting it. Now after this initial first basting, I did go ahead and baste it at least every 10 minutes thereafter. Now what I do like to do, just get some of that juice in your baster. You see them little cracks that you made, them little hole that you took up in the chicken, just get the juices down in there. It's just like you're putting the juice directly inside of the chicken. And let me tell you something here, nice. I'm gonna tell you, it did nice. It came out beautiful. It was moist. Now the last 10 minutes I do like to go in with a little bit of brown sugar. Say a lemon we are deal with, and lemon kind of a bit swish, so the brown sugar will just counteract the sourness and just give you a really good tasting chicken. Now you can serve this, I think the best way to serve this up is on a bit of white rice. There's just something about the combination of the lemon and the garlic and the thyme and the whole chicken juices and everything on top of a bit of white rice, and baby, there you have it, my whole roast garlic, lemon, lime, whatever called chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.